Good morning mga kamudra, mga kamami. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mama Kate Joyce. Alis kami guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa Mori pero pupunta kami ng Lightning Ridge. From here is 2 hours and 50 minutes going there. So, kaya maaga kailangan makaalis na kami. Sabi ng kasama namin ay 6 o'clock kailangan makaalis pero anong oras na? Lagpas ng 6 o'clock. So para ma-enjoy namin ng ma-enjoy natin yung papasyalan natin na ibang lugar. Parang desierto siya guys eh. So makikita nyo mamaya guys ang lightning race kasi magbi-video kami doon. Ang kanilang produkto doon ay opal. So I hope makabili kami ng opal. Gusto kong bumili ng opal na pendant remembrance. So ayun lang guys, mamaya kita-kits tayo. Yeah, we're leaving now, Mori. We're going to Lightning Ridge. And very nice this place here. Only in the shopping center there I didn't like it.
But this is very hot when it's like
Oh, look at that. The trees, big trees.
summer, but it's summer now.
Yeah.
Well, that was all the rich area, was it?
This one?
The rich area.
This one here is rich area.
Oh, I wanted to go to the castle. Oh,
Huh?
Not sign.
Silos?
that's fuel, eh?
Get ready for the shittest road ever.
Yeah. Ayan, look at that guys. Napakaganda, super. I love it.
Where's your GoPro?
Look at that. Old caravans there, oh. Yeah. Old caravans. We're following Matthew.
We're on someone's property here or what?
Okay, look at that, guys.
Better not jail, huh?
Tatlong truck kaming magpasunodan dito eh. Yung dalawang magkasunod.
Yeah, they played at the front area.
Ay, that's Amigos Castle. Why they call that Amigos Castle?
Oh, no.
Why you don't know? Oh, that's the one. Ay. Amigos Castle. Look at that. Oh, nice. I cannot see it, love.
Eh?
Cannot see. Amigos Castle.
It's closed.
It's all hand built.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
Wow, big octos. Ay, octos. Cactus! Big cactus. Ano ba ako? Ito, namuri. Ayan, big cactus. Desierto. Look at that, the wall there, oh. Look out. So nice. Wow.
Yeah, come on for you.
Look at that.
More but they're not.
Ayaw nila magpaputi. Sila ito yung sila. Wow, nice. Oh. Very, very nice. So hot. Beer cans. Yeah, that one, huh? That's the one. Bacon's house. Yeah, I saw it on YouTube eh.
Talaga?
This one, yeah. Everything in here I saw. Why very nice on YouTube to look at, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, look. Beer cans. Millard.
I'll tell him straight too. I said, oh,
Hoy.
we might go out. Oh, I don't care. You won't be able to come out here. Too far.
Too far. Yeah. Look at that. It's Lightning Ridge. Are you in Lightning Ridge? So yeah. You can see this one. Welcome to Lightning Ridge Black Opal Country. That's the one. Yeah. Picture ga.